Teach an old dog new tricks.com. More than 40 hours of free computer training. Sit, stay, and learn. Thank you. Hi ladies and gentlemen, this is Tony Holowitz, and I want to thank you for being here for this QuickBooks tutorials on QuickBooks estimates and working with estimates. What I want to show you here is if we want to take an open estimate and turn it into an invoice or a sales order. And on that note about sales orders, some versions don't offer everything that I'm talking about in QuickBooks. Sometimes things I'll mention might not be available in your version. I'm not going to get into that right here, right now, what's in what. I'm just going to show you this, and I apologize in advance if this isn't part of your version. But working with estimates is in every version of QuickBooks to the best of my knowledge. And when you have an open estimate, if you want to take that estimate and turn it into an invoice, maybe they've called you and said, yep, we like your estimate, let's do business. Well, you can open your estimate and just simply click right here to create an invoice out of it. So that's one way. But I want to show you a second way that can happen. And again, I want to draw your attention that this customer is Hillary's Ice Cream Shop. Let's assume for a moment that you come in and you say, I want to create a new invoice. And I'm going to come up here on the left and click on Invoice to create a new invoice. And I'm going to start typing in Hillary's, and you'll see it remembers it. So I'm going to hit the Tab key to go on. Now, what happens is this shows that there's an available estimate for Hillary's Ice Cream Shop. So you might be sitting here creating this invoice for this amount or a similar amount, and you might be saying, hey, you know what, that's right, we've got an estimate. This invoice is being based on them saying yes to that estimate. So what they will allow you to do is if you click OK, it's going to take that estimate and convert it into an invoice. So now we have it here as an invoice, and it's no longer an estimate. So that is one of a couple ways that you can do a new invoice from an estimate. Again, it will remember that you have it in there if there's an invoice for this client, and it will suggest to you, do you want to use it? And that's one of your options. Just a quick tutorial on creating an invoice out of an estimate. Thank you so very much. Have a great day.